Hello YouTube, this is Daniel J. Jackson 1 or ODJ Disaster for anybody else that knows me. And today I got my drift car in the mail. And since I haven't seen anybody do a proper unboxing of it, might as well. I just got it. Came home from class and man was there. This is for the ms01d of RTR. Looking at it for a while, and it has a bunch of nice stuff on it. Belt drive, a bunch of just show you out. That's what it looks like. Another bicycle in the corner. Alright. Carbon fiber, 1/6 belt driven. Little jocks. Try to keep this as short as possible because they don't know to watch my videos anyway, so might as well. Try to keep the box intact. Oh, that's what it looks like. Manuals, advertising, and such. Rims. See, look at all those pretty parts. Here's the manual. Some, oh shit, decals that I'm probably going to use. And, it's a pretty bitch. And here is the Evo body. I love Evos so much. They did an awesome job on this. Got tail lights, headlights. Good. Spoiler. Spoiler.
Daniel!
What? Yeah, that's what I fucking got. Anyway. Okay, here's the light buckets and such. Let you see that. You probably couldn't see anything I was doing because, you know, I'm retarded like that. Yeah. It's a nice body. I like it. Video's dark as hell. There we go. Yep. The Evo body is just awesome though. Look at it. I like it. I love it. I love it. Alright. What else? We got this little transmitter here. Pretty. How does this work? Alright, I got this little transmitter here. Feels pretty light. Nothing special to it. Alright, and here's, oh wow. Here's what I wanted to see. Ooh. Ho, 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 ho. That is pretty. Your carbon fiber and such. Oh, that's gay. Servo's not hooked up, and I guess I'll just have to do that. Probably gonna put the Traxxas one on because I heard these poop out on you, and they're unreliable. So yeah. Oh, can't wait to go run this. Where my batteries at? There's one. Please tell me it fits. Yes, they fit. I got worried for a little bit. Yes, they fit. And this is what I use for my my low C up over there on the wall. You can't see it, but it's there. This carbon fiber is pretty stiff. Do I like it? I like it. Belts. All right. And I'm actually not gonna put holes in the body because I don't want it. I want it to look real. So yeah, and that's about it. I will give y'all an update whenever I run it and all that.